Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Andi Abdurrahman. NIM 1905010048. At the first meeting, we discussed about introduce self by self to each other. At the second meeting, we discussed about diversity culture. British English with American English have their difference. The difference can be known from the dialect when spoke or from the written word. British English still maintains more spelling derived from language French, whereas American English is more often spelled which is almost the same way the pronunciation, and American English eliminate unnecessary letters. American English dialect usually pronounce the letter R by rolling the tongue back and close the palate, while the British English dialect does not pronounce the letter R in words, especially if it's at the end of words. At the third meeting, we discuss about family and relative. In this material, discuss the call to family. At the fourth meeting, we talk about pronunciation improvement. In English language, have two scale, micro scale and macro scale. At the next meeting, we discuss about simple tense. Simple tense is category of verb tense. It covers the simple past tense, the simple present tense, and the simple future tense. The three simple tense express fact or habitual activities. Unlike the other tense, the simple tense describe action without specially stating whether the action are complete or ongoing. At the next meeting, we discuss about degree of comparison. With degree of comparison, you can compare one thing with another. But remember, degrees of comparison can only be used for adjective adverbs. Degrees comparison is divided into three, namely positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. At the next meeting, we discuss about passive voice. Passive voice is the opposite of active voice. Passive voice is a sentence where we emphasize the target of the verb agreed by the culprit. While in the active voice, we emphasize the verb receive. The following example: Erika is eaten by my carrot. Active sentence: my carrot are eaten by Erika. Passive sentence. At the next meeting, we discuss about question tags. Question tags are questions that we put at the end of sentence. Usually, direct spoke in Indonesian, question tag can be interpreted as right, is not it, yes, let's go. There are many different question tags, but the rules are not difficult for us to learn. At the last meeting, we discuss about adjective clause or relative clause. Adjective clause or relative clause is dependent clause that act as an adjective that explain noun or pronoun. In the main clause or a complex sentence or a sentence consisting of an independent clause and one or more dependent clause. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.